Hey guys, this is Shweta from Maths Baron. So today we are again here with another video. This is the second video in trigonometry, and in this video we'll be doing some specific problems and you will get to know how we can attempt such kind of problem. Okay. Now so there is another problem here I have written. It is, so we need to prove that tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta and cosec theta. Okay. So now if you see this, arriving from this to this is difficult. Okay. So that's why what we'll do, we'll try to simplify this and we'll try to arrive to this one. And before I start, you have to understand that these three are important formulas and you need to remember this. Okay. So that's why I have written on the board in red color. Okay. So you need to remember these three. These are very important formulas and you should know how to prove it also. So which we have already done in our first video. So let's start. Okay. So I'll start from this side. So tan theta is nothing but sine. So what I do is, I do it in the form of sine and cos. Okay. So tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So 1 minus, and cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. Okay. So let's simplify this. So it is cos theta by sine theta and 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. Okay. So till here we have done. Now let's simplify this. So you first simplify the denominator here. So which is equal to okay, and this whole thing is divided by again sine theta by cos theta. Okay, so this is denominator and then I simplified this thing. So same thing here also. Okay, now let's simplify this one. Okay, so it is sine theta by cos theta divided by this. So it is sine theta, and if you do this, when you, so this one will go up, so it will become the numerator. Okay, and same thing here, it is cos theta by sine theta, and then this whole thing, so this cos theta will go up, so it is cos theta here and cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, till here. Okay, so we have just simplified. Now just multiply this. So this is sine square theta and we'll just leave this. See, you can see that this is a common denominator here. Okay, only the sign is different. So sine square theta, and this is cos theta by sine theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sine theta and cos theta minus sine theta. Okay, till here. Now I'm just drawing a line here. So I am going to simplify this. Okay, so if you see here, this denominator is common. Okay, so what I will do is, I will take this as, so what is the denominator you can take? Here it is sine theta cos theta. Okay, and now let's say I take sine theta minus cos theta. Okay, so now if you divide this, so what I have to do, I have to, so simplifying this, so what will happen here is cos, so sine will get multiplied here, so it is sine cube theta minus, now if you see here, it is cos theta minus sine theta, so the denominator here is minus cos theta, so here it will be minus cos cube theta. Okay, now this is in the form of a cube minus b cube. Okay, and if you simplify, one form is a, I have written here, so a cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b, and a square plus b square plus ab. So we'll break this thing into this form. So it is sin theta minus cos theta, and then this is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. Okay, so we are using this formula. You are using a cube minus b cube formula here to break this into two factors. Okay, now this is sin theta cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, now can you see something here? So this is a common factor here. So can we cross it? Yes, we can cross. So what is remaining here? So if you see, this is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So you can write it as 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. And this whole thing is divided by sin theta cos theta. So now what we have to do here is we have to break this. So if you see this sin theta, so if I break this, it is 1 by sin theta cos theta. So it implies that it is 1 by sin theta cos theta. So 1 by sin theta, we'll write it 1 by sin theta and cos theta plus sin theta by, which is 1. Now 1 by sin theta is called 1 by sin theta, and 1 by cos theta is what? It is 1 by sin theta is cosec theta and 1 by cos theta is sec theta. So it is 1 plus sec theta and cosec theta. Okay. So we started using this and we arrived to this side. Okay. So this is what we have to prove it. So we proved that this would be equal to this one. Okay. So the thing is, what is important here is to understand these three identities. You need to remember, and you remember all these formulas: a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube, and things like that. Let's take another problem and we'll see how we can solve it. So we are here with another type of question. Okay. So in this question, it is a little different. So there is one expression which is given, which says that 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta equals to 2. Okay. And now you have to find the value. You have to find the value of this expression and prove it that it is equal to plus minus 3. So how will you do it? So how the approach is, see, we don't know the value of this one. Okay. So what we do is we assume it to be x. So first is let 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta is equal to x. Okay. Equal to x. Now we want to square this. Okay. So what is the square? So x square will be equal to 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta whole square. Okay. Now we have been given this equal to 2. Okay. And if you see this, these are exchanged here. Okay. So what we do here is we also square this. So if you square this, it is equal to 2 sin theta. So let's write in another way. So it is squaring this. So if you square this, this becomes 4. Okay. So squaring this, 2 equals 4, and this equals to 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta whole square. Okay. Now let's call this equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. So what we do is we add equation 1 and 2. Okay. So adding 1 and 2. So adding 1 and 2. Okay. So this 2 part will be added and this 2 part will be added. Okay. So let's add this 2 parts. So it is 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta whole square plus 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta whole square. Okay. And again this will get squared. Okay. So it is, so it's already squared, right? Because we assume it is equal to 2. So it is already squared. So it is equal to 4 plus, so it is x square plus 4. Okay. So we have added these two and this two we have added. Now let's simplify this. So this is nothing but a minus b form, okay? So simplifying this will be, so it is 9 sin square theta plus 4 cos square theta. So we are expanding this a minus b whole square form and minus 2ab. So it is 2 into 3 sin theta into 2 sin theta. So it is 2 3 ja. So let's, okay, first let me write everything. 2 3 sin theta into 2 cos theta. Okay, and this will be 4 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta. Okay, and then again 2 into 2 sin theta into 3 cos theta. Okay, we just expanded this into, so we a minus b whole square and this is a plus b whole square. The same thing, you are using this to expand. So that's what you have to understand. Okay, and this is x square plus 4. Okay, now first let's simplify this. Okay, so 9 sin square theta plus 4 sin square theta is nothing but 13 sin square theta. And if you see here, 4 cos square theta plus 9 cos square is 13 cos square theta. Okay, now this is, what is, if you simplify this, it is 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. So it is minus 12 sin theta cos theta. Okay, and if you do this, it is 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. It is plus 12 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so can you notice? So it is 12 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now if you see this two are, this is negative and this is positive, so this is going to get cancelled. Okay, and this is x square plus 4. Now this is in the form of what? So now if you see this can be again simplified as 13. So let me write it here again. Okay, so I am taking this expression. So it is 13. Why? Because it is common in here, and it is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, and what is remaining here? It is x square plus 4. Okay, now what is sin square plus cos square theta? It is nothing but 1. So it is 13 is equal to x square plus 4. It implies x square is equal to, this will come here. So 13 minus 4 is nothing but 9, and it implies x is equal to plus minus 3. Okay, so this was 3 sin theta. So we had assumed 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta equal to x, and what is the value we got? Plus minus 3. So 3 sin theta minus 2 cos theta is nothing but plus minus 3. So this is how you prove it. Okay, so it looks really complicated, but believe me, it is not. Only thing is here, it is really important is that you practice as much as you can. So that is the key for mastering any topic in mathematics. So do practice and let me know how you find this video. Okay, if you have any questions, do get back to me. I'll be happy to help. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so that whenever we upload a video, you are able to know about it. Thank you for watching this.